morning. This is Wing Commander Alok Sahay. I retired from the Indian Air Force and I have proudly served Indian Air Force as an officer for good 26 years. If you are preparing for NDA examination this September, this is your opportunity to train under the guidance of highly experienced defense officers. Officers Career Academy, led by Professor Amit Kumar Dubey and myself, have already sent more than 1,000 students in the Indian Armed Forces. We are launching a special 1-month NDA Crash Course starting from 12th August, and the fee structure will be 15,000 flat. So this 1-month crash course for NDA will be much better for you to achieve your dreams to join the Indian Armed Forces. Because you will be taught and guided by a very experienced team of commissioned officers at Officers Career Academy, Wagholi, Pune. So please do join us, contact us on our website. Thank you.